Ladies and gentlemen, greetings. In our last video, we demonstrated how to activate and deactivate users. Today, we are going to show how to use this school manager to activate and deactivate students as well. If you would remember, we realized that when a user is deactivated, the user can no longer enter into the system. In likewise manner, when a student is deactivated, the student too cannot log into the system. Not only that, the student is also banned from all activities in the school. You log into the system, you go to the student's class, and you realize that the student is conspicuously missing from class list. Go to assessment list, and you realize that the student is not there. Which means anytime a student is deactivated, that student is banned from all other activities in the school, though he is not expelled from the system, yet he is not seen in other activities in the school. So we are going to learn how to deactivate a student. We will use a student called Ado Henry. We will use his account to demonstrate this lesson. All right, now I'm going to log out. No, before then, let us go and see student list. All right, now let's go to academics, and then here class members. The class members, we are going to use Ado Henry, and Ado Henry is in 2C. Henry is in 2C. So let me click here, good. And then look at Ado Henry occupying the first in the list. Yeah, and he's offering these courses: biology, chemistry, e-maths, and so on. His admission number is 10517010. So I'm going to log out into the system and enter as Ado Henry. After that, I'll log out as Ado Henry and enter as an administrator, and then deactivate Henry's account. I log out. Now log out. I'm going to enter as a student. Click student. Then I'm going to enter Henry's credentials. That is Henry's username. Password is now I log in. Wrong access is denied. Okay, let me enter the password again. Good. You are logged in as a student. You have a very limited access right. Okay. Now it has opened for us. As a student, when you enter, you have a very limited access into the system. As you can see, Ado Henry can only take quiz. This is quiz model, and after that, you can also view his quiz results. This is his quiz, the quizzes that Henry has taken. Everything is here ever since he entered into the school. All right, you can also take quiz here. You can select a course and take quiz. let's click info text, and then questions, 4 questions. Select subject. Okay. Good. Now Henry can take quiz. Yeah. Okay, let me leave here. And he can also come here and change his password. You can change his password here. His user profile too, he can change, except that he cannot change the role. His role is a student, so he can't do anything about it. This one is, it is only admin that can change the role. Apart from that, in this account he can change whatever he wishes to change. He can change his profile picture as well. Okay, and then he can also chat with his friends using this system. Yeah. Okay, so this is Henry's account. Now it is active. He can come in and go out. So I'm now logging out. Okay, now I'm going to enter as an administrator and then deactivate Henry's account. Click here, enter. Good. I now move to administration. Click administration, locate activation and graduation. Here, click. It will take you to this page. As you can see here, graduate, activate and deactivate students. If you want to graduate students, you come here. Those who have finished and leaving the system, you need to graduate them. You use this page, but here this will be considered some other time. Today we are not considering graduation, but we are considering activation and deactivation of students. So you click this one, and after that look at the students. All the students are here. So if you want to search the student, you can simply type the student's name or student ID. Also Henry's ID is 1050. Is here 1050 170 10. Okay, this is Henry. As you can see, the status of this account is active, so we are going to deactivate it. To deactivate it, you just click, check this box, and after that then you click deactivate, because it is already active. So click deactivate. Are you sure you want to deactivate the selected student? As here you click confirm deactivate. Yes, click yes. Deactivation operation is successful. Click OK. Good. Now look at Henry. What I see, Henry's account. This is Henry's account. As you can see, it is inactive here. This is Henry's account. It is inactive. Good. That means Henry can no longer enter into the system. Apart from that, he is also banned from other activities, especially when you go to class list, classroom, he will not be there. Okay, I'm going to log out and enter Henry's credential and see. We now enter Henry's credentials as a student. From credentials, access denied. As you can see, access denied. Henry can no longer enter into the system because he is banned. Okay. Now let us enter into the system and check. Go to the classroom and check the class list and the other activities. We are going to check to see whether we can find Henry there or not. So now enter as an admin, check administrator. All right. All right. Now let's proceed to class list. class list. Okay, let's go to academics. Class members 2C, C. Ampim, Juliana, and Elku Jonathan. Henry is conspicuously missing. So this is it. When you deactivate a student, he is banned from all other activities in the school. All right. Bye bye for now.